Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope everyone is doing good by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about a little bit different concept than the compound interest, which we discussed in the previous class. Okay, so in compound interest, what we noticed, the amount to be increasing, right, with year or day by day. If you remember the coronavirus problem, with each passing time or day or year, the amount was increasing. So for that we know the formula. Okay, but what if the amount is decreasing? Now what is the example? For example, we can consider this question itself: in how many years will the car price, okay, now car price, if a car is being used over years, the price will not go up. Definitely, as you're using it, the value of it is supposed to go down, right? For example, if you buy a car with 5,000 dinar, you cannot expect it to sell with more than five, with an amount of more than 5,000 dinar after using it for 3-4 years, right? Maybe after 3-4 years you can sell it with maybe 3,000 or less than 3,000. So the car price, you can see the value of it is going down. Okay, so in how many years will the car price be reduced to half at 4% markdown rate? That is what we have been asked to find out. Okay, now let us do the solution. In how many years? That means they are asking us to calculate n. Okay, and car price will be reduced to half. Now for this reduction problem where the amount is getting reduced, what is the formula? The formula I will show you. It's quite similar to the compound interest formula. Okay, just a little bit of mm, just a little change, that is a has been replaced by pt, and this is not plus anymore because the amount is not increasing, rather it is decreasing. That is why it is minus now. Okay, so here we will be replacing the value from our given problem. Now you can see that the time is not being replaced, it's not being represented by n anymore, it is being represented by t. So we will not be writing n here. Okay, so rather we will be writing t. Okay, t is equal to what? And then the car price will be reduced to half. That means the final price, that is pt, should be half of the initial price. Okay, and 4% markdown rate, that is the rate of depreciation. So whenever the value is decreasing, it is known as depreciation. Okay, so 4% means 4 divided by 100, it will be 0.04. Now let us do the calculation. pt, oh, we have to write we know. Okay, we know pt equal to p into 1 minus r whole to the power d. So pt will be replaced by p by 2, as we have already seen. Why? Because it is reduced to half. That is why p 1 minus 0.04 whole to the power d is here. So now this p is being multiplied. If I change the side, it will be in the denominator. So it will be 0.96 whole to the power t. So p and p, they will be getting cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2 here and 0.96 whole to the power t. So you can see that this is the exponential form. We have to write it in the logarithmic form. So how we can do that? The exponent t, we will write it first, and then we have the logarithm, and the base will be as it is 0.96, and this number will be here 1 by 2. So you can easily find out the answer from the calculator. Let me also find it out. Okay, so the value of t is coming almost equal to 17, right? Almost equal to 17. As it is not exactly 17, we are writing approx. So after almost 17 years, the car price will be reduced to half. That means if someone has bought the car with 10,000 dinar, let us say, after 17 years, the price will go down to 5,000 dinar. Okay, so that is the way we have to solve this type of depreciation problem. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know, and then we can discuss about it in the future videos. And in the next classes, in the next sessions, we will be discussing more about this problem. Okay, this type of problem. So till then, stay well, happy studying. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.